Hello and good morning. I don't know why I sounded like I was like giving bad news or something. No. Hi, welcome. I am doing a day in the life of a second year medical student. Wow, you guys, you've graduated first year, which is wild. Which is actually wild. I sometimes just like, I need to take a pause and I'm like, wow, time is going so fast and yet so slow at the same time. A lot of things are happening. Brain is turning. But yeah, I wanted to do a day in the life and do one of those like real videos where I chat with you guys and tell you what's up and what's going on in my brain and everything that is going on in life. So that's what we're doing today. Second year, it's the first week of second year medical school and it's already so hectic. So much more hectic than first year, which I think I kind of expected, but at the same time I didn't. And it's not necessarily school, it's also just like studying for step one and like creating a plan and just like feeling this like, oh my gosh, there's like this additional thing I kind of have to do and always have to like think about, which is like step one and all of that jazz. We also have anatomy, which is so time consuming. We're doing our musculoskeleton unit this block, or MSK, so it's all about muscles and limbs and arms and all of that. And so anatomy just ends up taking a huge amount of time. And I have lab again this week. I had lab earlier this week for like 4 hours, and we have lab again this week or today for another 4 hours. So a lot of time spent in anatomy lab because we are going to have lab twice a week pretty much for the entire block, or at least until, yeah, pretty much the entire block. So lots going on. Schedule's busy as always, but you guys know, like, I thrive when my schedule's busy, when there's like a ton going on and I feel like I'm being productive and I'm learning a lot and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm trying to establish a really good routine with waking up early and getting a workout in and going to bed early. Like, I think 10 to 6 is kind of like my ideal, even though I tried to go to bed at 10 yesterday and didn't fall asleep until like 11 something and didn't wake up today until like 7:45. And the only reason I really got out of bed is because I had a meeting at 9 that I had to take. So like, so I think I've learned that I need to like find a way to motivate myself to get out of bed in the morning, because when you have like long days and you're studying a lot, for some reason it's so like, even though it's not physically taxing, it's mentally taxing, and it takes a while to like get yourself out of bed and get yourself like prepped for the day. But that's what I'm working on. That's my big goal for this block, is 10 to 6 is my sleep routine. I get my 8 hours in and I need to work out every morning. That is the goal. All right, so I had my meeting this morning about some volunteer thing that I am actually very excited about. I'm not sure if I should like mention it right now, but maybe I'll talk a little bit about it when it's all done and stuff. But it's very cool. And I have to prep for my lectures this morning. I have 2 lectures this morning, and then I also have to prep for lab this afternoon, like I mentioned. So busy day, but first things first, we're gonna drink our green tea and we're gonna get organized for the day. I need to like write down the top like 5 to 6 things that I need to get done today, and everything else that I can like wait to do tomorrow, because I need to be so strategic with my time and so like selective with what I like give time and attention to, because there's just not enough of it. So let's get to work. Hi, welcome back. I got back from anatomy. I got back from anatomy lab. There's a spider right behind this camera. And it's gonna die today. All right, spider has been killed. That was extremely violent for no reason. Anyways, I got back from anatomy lab around 5, and it is now 6:40 p.m. So I took about an hour and a half to shower and eat dinner and just, this is how I like to phrase it, just like be human again, because I don't know, there's something about like hours of standing over a cadaver and like looking at the human body and everything where you just kind of dissociate a lot. So it feels good to kind of decompress and come back to being a person. And yeah, so that's what I did. Now I'm back at my desk. I have my to-do list all the way on the bottom over here, and I have so much stuff that has like yet to be crossed off, and I also have to see a friend tonight for some coffee. So plan is to get through as many things on this list as I possibly can, and yeah, just be super productive for the next few hours before I have to head out. And I'm excited. Let's get to work. Hi, I just got back from seeing my friend and I thought I'd give you guys like an outfit of the night. I am wearing these cute sweat shorts from H&M. I love them. And I have my little fanny pack from Target, and underneath it I just have this like little collared cropped little top, and you guys can't tell but I have my long socks on. Here, let me show you the full outfit. All right, there we go. It's cute. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like, oh, my hair is everywhere. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like a teenager, even though I'm 26 years old. But, you know, we love a cute outfit, cute and comfy outfit. But yeah, let me sit you guys on a different plate. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for joining me on this vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I like sharing like little bits of my life as a medical student. I know when I was applying to medical school, I really wanted to see vlogs like this to kind of just see how people balance their life and what life looks like, and you know, what does it mean to be a medical student. So I hope this is helpful. If it is, definitely let me know. If you're not in med school, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you guys like any of my videos, definitely subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave any comments or questions you have about medical school below. I also do like little Q&As on my Instagram for anyone who has questions about med school or life and balance and all of that stuff. So if you have any questions, definitely go follow me on there. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.